My name's Graham Scannell and I'm one of the designers at Bathtime, Scotland. One of the most rewarding aspects of my role within the business is receiving an invite from a very happy client to come and see their finished bathroom renovation, which is why we're here today. Let's go and have a look.
Hi Graham.
Hi Stephanie, how are you?
Good, thanks, how are you?
Good, thank you. Wow.
That's quite a change, isn't it?
Wow, absolutely. Excellent, yeah.
No, I'm really pleased.
What a massive transformation from how it was.
Can you remember when the cupboard was over there and it was so much smaller?
Yeah, absolutely.
I think even having that moved away has given us almost a third more of the bathroom space now. It just opens it all up.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a complete transformation. I absolutely love the vanity unit. It's quite a feature.
I'm really pleased with that.
Yeah.
Your dad and brother were really helpful with that. When it was delivered, I didn't actually like the top of the unit.
Yes.
So they suggested going somebody where and getting a template cut and changing it to the exact finish that I was looking for, which was really good. So it was nice that they gave me that option.
Absolutely, yeah. I think the kind of cut-out basin with the granite top, absolutely stunning. The lights as well above the vanity unit and the mirror, it's a really nice touch. Sometimes having full tiling can be quite overpowering, but it's just so tasteful.
Thank you.
Really
I think for a room with this size as well, it's come to the right level to make it look in proportion with everything.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Also, you feel your feet nice and cosy.
Underfloor heating.
Yeah, your dad suggested that. It was really good, and it was always something that I kind of wanted but didn't know how it worked. So he broke all that down for me, explained how it worked. And it's actually just warm enough to take the chill off the room, because I think sometimes ceramic tile can be. But I'm really glad that I did that, because overall it makes the room feel a lot warmer and comfortable on bare feet.
Absolutely, yeah. Wow, the shower.
I know, it's magic.
Some size.
It's lovely and spacious. To stand inside, that's so nice compared to before. We had just a small enclosed unit and it felt quite claustrophobic. This way it's great, you can move about.
Absolutely, and I love the shower valve being at the entry point to the shower as well. That must be quite a nice luxury.
Yeah, that was your dad who suggested that. I didn't even know you could do that, but it's great because you can turn the shower on without getting your arm cold and wet. It flashes and lets you know when it's the right temperature, and you can walk in, so it's great.
Fantastic.
And your dad also suggested there's the overhead and the side.
Yes, the dual heads.
Which is really useful option as well.
Absolutely, excellent. And I must say, I love the bespoke joinery work that's been carried out here as well by ourselves. It's really, really nice.
Yeah. Your brother was very patient with me on that, it has to be said, because I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted. I knew I wanted a window seat, but he was very patient, saying, well, what height? And we tested different heights, and he said, and what finish? And he was really patient, and we changed it a couple of times, but he's basically got exactly the look. It looks like it's always been there, which is what I was wanting.
Turned out perfect, excellent.
First of all, it was a friend who recommended Bathtime as a company to me. I'd seen her bathroom and liked it, and asked her who had done the work. So she passed on the details, and I've been absolutely 100% happy with what Bathtime have done. All the staff have been great to work with, the communication's been super. The workmen who came into my house were nice to be in the house, which I think is important in a domestic situation when you've got children around. They were all very friendly, nice guys who talked to me throughout the process as well and kept me up to date with any changes or any choices that I had to make, and made things quite clear and understandable. So yes, wouldn't hesitate in using Bathtime again myself or recommending them to other people.